Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix something went wrong error on Facebook. First of all, try switching between networks. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works, and make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi so your app runs smoothly and thoroughly. After that, just go ahead and restart Facebook. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe away. After that, open your app store, search for Facebook and see if there is an update button available. Now if that does not work, go ahead to your settings app, search for iPhone storage, scroll down, click in Facebook and then click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Now if none of these methods work, just go ahead and long press your Facebook app option and then click on remove app, then delete app. Next, go ahead to your app store, search for Facebook and then reinstall your app from there. Once reinstalled, it will be running again smoothly. Safety tip: avoid third-party apps for login. Quick fix: try a web browser login, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.